So the Ford CEO is coming out and saying that tariffs are going to destroy the American auto industry. I beg to differ, Mr. Farley. I think you paying subpar wages in Mexico for manufacturing cars might destroy your profits, but it's not going to destroy the American auto industry. It's going to make it stronger. So welcome on back to TK's Garage. So this is interesting. So I saw where Farley has been on Bloomberg and a couple other places and talking about how these 25% tariffs are going to destroy the American auto industry. Wrong. See, where Ford and General Motors are having problems is because they don't make a lot of their vehicles here in America. Now they make some. Let me be clear. They do make some vehicles. But when you look at a Ford truck, for example, did you know that General Motors and Ford, that Toyota and Ram are more American? Toyota is the most American truck you can buy. Think about that. Think about that. Toyota is the most American pickup truck, American built, American parts, American assembled pickup truck you can buy. Make that make sense. And I think the current administration that's in the office now is looking at this and going, this is BS. And Ford, it's a simple solution. It's not like you don't have the manufacturing capacity, the assembly plant capacity here. Move it. Move it here to America. Don't pay the 25% tariff. In fact, they've already looked at the numbers, and they could keep building them in Mexico if they want, right? And they could keep building vehicles in Canada if they want, Canada and Mexico. But if they move them here, they'd save about 12%. Or they could leave them in Mexico and pay 25. Yes, it is going to cost them more money to manufacture and assemble those vehicles in the United States because they have to pay an actual working wage to those employees. And most likely, they will all be UAW represented employees. There's no getting around that. They could do that now and instantly make things better for their company. But they won't. They're going to wait and see how these tariffs hit, or they're going to try to import as much stuff as they can and stock it up now to try to get through a year or 6 months and see how it goes. But newsflash to manufacturers, if you're not already planning to move that manufacturing to the United States, and you're not already retooling places to get that stuff moved here that you want to sell here in the United States, you're going to lose your ass because other manufacturers are already getting on board. You see the stuff going on with Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche. Never thought I would ever say that. BMW. Yes, they make SUVs in South Carolina. We know that. But they're going to be making 5 Series right here in good old America. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. Most of my 5 Series, when I buy them, I either buy the mid at a 540 or I buy an M5. If I buy an M car, I'm going to Germany for the M car. Sorry, it just is what it is. But it's a net positive, I think, for the American auto industry. I don't understand how Farley can say it's a net negative. It's definitely a super positive for American auto workers. That's not even a question. But I'd love to know what you guys think. I think the tariffs are a tool, right? Could they be there permanently? Maybe. I think it will. It's like a carrot and a stick. Here's how much money you can get in tax breaks and other stuff to offset the 10 or 12% extra you got to pay to build it here in America. Or if you don't want to move it here to America, well, here we go. We're charging you 25% off the top. So you're either going to have to eat that and eat it into your profits, or you're going to raise prices and lose customers. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.